We are here to help you with dual marketing and have many exciting stories and learning experiences to share with you today. Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for coming to our webinar today. I am Sweeti Srivastava, the PR executive at Abringo. We help educational institutes like yours to transform digitally as we provide hybrid e-learning modules for students. Today, we'll be talking about the art of social media. We are here with you to solve all the questions you might have during the sessions. If you have any questions during the webinar, please type them into our chat box. We'll address them during the session and post each session. By the end of our time, we hope you feel more agreeable and self-assured about social media marketing. Social media marketing. My personal belief is that every brand, every company, every individual is present here online. So what do you understand by the term social media marketing? In layman's term, it refers to the use of social media and social media networks to market a company's product and its services. Simple words में बताया जाए तो अपनी कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट्स या उसकी सर्विसेज को मार्केट और लोगों तक पहुंचाना किसी भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे कि फेसबुक, यूट्यूब या इंस्टाग्राम की मदद से कैसे और क्यों करना चाहिए। तो एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं और पैंडेमिक की ही बात करते हैं। जब हम सभी के साथ घर पे बंद हैं, बाहर का खाने का मन तो सबका ही करता होगा, मेरा भी करता है, तो क्या याद आता है? ज़ोमैटो, मुझे भी। So basically Zomato started off in the year 2008 as a restaurant search and discovery platform named Foodiebay. Initially, the app provided names for various restaurants, prices, menu, rating and reviews. Gradually, it converted itself into a food delivering platform from where people could order from their favorite restaurants. Let's take a moment and think. Zomato ने कैसे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म यूज किया अपनी कस्टमर रीच बढ़ाने के लिए? हाँ, ये सच है कि उन्होंने उनका मार्केटिंग गेम लेवल अप किया सोशल मार्केटिंग और एसईओ स्ट्रैटेजी से. So shall we have a deeper insight on how we can similarly do and use it as a game changer in our education industry? Truly said by Jordan, SEO isn't about gaming the system anymore. It's about learning how to play by the rules. Zomato has a mixed marketing strategy. It gets its traffic from various channels and 4 sources. These are various sources of traffic that comes on Zomato.com. 31.36% of traffic from directly, 1.02% traffic from reference, 66.41% traffic from searches, and 0.73% traffic from social media, whereas in 0.47% traffic from mail and display ads. What have you observed? What works better with them? Zomato has a strong SEO strategy. Zomato gets approx 66% of its traffic from searches made online. With their SEO efforts, they managed to get 99.44% of organic traffic from its search ratio, whereas their paid searches are just 0.56%, which explains why they have such a strong SEO strategy. Truly said by Jordan, SEO isn't about gaming the system anymore. It's about learning how to play by the rules. Targeted keywords. It is not about get the traffic. It is about get the traffic that is targeted and relevant. On पेज ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. आप सोचते होंगे अपने ब्लॉग या पोस्ट की ट्रैफिक कैसे बढ़ाएं? ऑन पेज एसईओ एक मात्र हथियार होता है जिससे कि वेबसाइट को सही तरीके से रैंक कर सकते हैं. साथ ही उनकी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे विजिबिलिटी बढ़ाई जा सकती है. URL linking and internal linking. Very simple. Internal linking occurs when a site links to other URLs on the same site, whereas external linking occurs when a site links URLs to a different site. Put another way, internal links are when you link your own pages, while external link points to the pages of other domains. इंटरनल लिंकिंग मीन्स आपके वेबसाइट के अंदर लिंकिंग कैसे हो रही है, एक पेज से दूसरे वेब पेज की लिंकिंग को इंटरनल लिंकिंग कहा जाता है. ऑन द अदर हैंड यूआरएल लिंकिंग वेब पेजेस के बीच में होता है, पर वो डिफरेंट वेबसाइट पेजेस के बीच में ही होता है. आगे बढ़ते हुए हम ये देखेंगे कि सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग ने ज़ोमैटो को कैसे मदद किया एंड सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग क्या है और सोशल मीडिया क्या होता है? Social media is basically a platform through which we connect to our loved ones and also share our interests for different purposes. Seeing this massive fan base, Zomato has 1.8 million followers on Facebook, 430,000 followers on Instagram, and has more than 41.4 million Twitter followers across the world. Zomato understands what kind of post will engage the users, hence it follows their social media. Even Zomato's Instagram bio says that memes page occasionally posting brands post due to business team pressure. Social media strategy. Zomato has a customer from the age group of 18 to 35. इंटरनेट की दुनिया के बगैर ये एज ग्रुप तो सर्वाइव ही नहीं कर सकती है. So it focuses on creating social media ads and creating engaging posts to connect to their targeted audience. Your social media marketing efforts will produce no result if your story isn't worth sharing. We have created the guide to provide you with an introduction of social media marketing with some starter tips and training for the same to improve your business through social media presence. Mediums of interaction. Some of the most popular platforms for brand development and marketing includes Facebook, which includes number of monthly users more than 2 billion. Demographics says that these are men and women of the age 16 and 65 year old. Twitter, which includes the number of monthly users more than 350 million and the age group is 18 to 49. LinkedIn, the number of monthly users LinkedIn has is 310 million. It is a thriving community of workers and business owners who share and connect on a professional level, making it much more formal than other social media platforms. Which includes number of monthly users that is more than 1 billion. Instagram is a platform where you can post photos and short videos with a small amount of text do exceptionally well. And also ये आपको Facebook, Twitter अकाउंट से लिंक होता है ताकि कोई भी अपनी सेम फोटोज, सेम वीडियोस मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक साथ शेयर कर सके. Twitter, practically every brand in the world has an account to update its customer. Basically, when you want to expand your brand awareness, Twitter is one of the best social media platforms. Now let's talk about Instagram, which includes number of monthly users that is more than 1 billion. Instagram is a platform where you can post photos and short videos with a small amount of text do exceptionally well on Instagram. YouTube. Now YouTube has more than 2 billion people on their platform every single day. Just imagine the count they have on their own platform. Yes, it's massive. Pinterest. The number of monthly users is 410 million and approximately 15 million users on a single daily basis. Pinterest is also a place to share or to pin different visual contents so that the other people can see them. Why social media marketing? 21वीं सदी की बात करें तो पैंडेमिक के साथ हमने ये सीखा है कि सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म सबसे बड़ी ताकत बना है एंटरटेनमेंट, एजुकेशन, फूड, शेल्टर एंड ट्रैवल के लिए. और इसी तरह लोगों ने अपने बिजनेस की ग्रोथ भी की है और दूसरे लोगों से जुड़ते आए हैं. Social media's power is commendable as you get to the reach of large number of people with the second of posting an ad helps you to reduce your cost and makes your ad reach out to the potential audience through these social media advertisements. Misconceptions that people have on social media. Misconception number 1. Social media marketing is free. While business can post on social media without spending any of their advertisement budget, contrary to popular belief that social media marketing is not free. Misconception number 2. A large following of success. Speaking of success, building a large social media following should not be your only measure to success, arguably. Unless you are an influencer, it should not even be your primary metric. Social media also used the customers as an engagement platform. Misconception number 3. Brands must be on every social media site. Many entrepreneurs launch a business and create a social media account on every popular social media site. While it is a good idea to claim your brand's name on content on every social media platform. Misconception number 4. All you have to do is post. If that you are doing is broadcasting your brand messages through the post, you are missing out on a point that social media means interaction with others. If you are starting out and just building a community, you should proactively engage with your followers by liking, commenting and sharing their posts. Larger brands need to respond to their followers who engage with them. Misconception number 5. Followers will see all your posts. It is worth noticing that not all your followers will see all your posts. In fact, most of your posts will be seen by less than 3% of your followers. Social media company uses algorithm to determine when your post will be seen and when not, and by whom. Misconception number 6. Social media is not measurable. Most social media sites offer a dashboard with measurable insights into your account activity. Misconception number 7. Everybody is on social media. If you are a prospective customer cannot be found on TikTok, you do not need to be there. You should be using the platform which is more actively used by your customers. What is the need of social media marketing? People in the 19th century believe in mouth-to-mouth publicity, but ऐसा देखें तो मैगी है, yippee नहीं. This is the power of word. पर 20th century में वो एज इंटरनेट ने ले ली है. सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क्स और हम हजार लाखों मीटर दूर बैठे लोगों से कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल लाखों और करोड़ों लोग कर रहे हैं और इसी तरह हम दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में बैठे हुए किसी भी इंसान से बात कर सकते हैं. सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग का क्या फायदा है? The world connects to the internet and social media networks are present in the lives of millions around the world. Social media is becoming one of the most important aspects of digital marketing, which provides incredible benefits for reaching millions of people worldwide. How to use social media? How to create an account? Use your basic details like name, number and email ID and use it for further logins. Why and how to choose and set DP as a cover picture? One should set their display picture keeping in mind the following brand things. Brand logo or image increases customers' interest in brand. Also, to show your activeness to cater your business through different mediums. How to create a post? Market research on posting ideas, current need of market and customers. Importance of hashtag and captions. To target your specific audience, reach more people and help them understand your niche and business. What are the dimensions of the photos that one should use? For Instagram and Facebook, 1080 into 1080 pixel quality or 40 pixel is the quality that one should be using. How will social media grow your business? There are various tactics you can implement, including search engine marketing, email marketing and social media marketing. How will social media help you in generating leads? Create a lot of options in opportunity and make them irresistible. Make a landing page and easy to take actions on. Write better ads and give better offers. How will social media help you in bringing your traffic to the platform? By engaging viewers and offering them useful and relevant content. Also, by conducting surveys, not by asking the questions but also connecting by the audience. Getting feedback, analyzing and adjusting your marketing strategies as your result. Using brand competition and collaboration with influencers. How will social media help you in generating revenue? The beauty of social media is that it creates a space to build relationships by digitally connecting with others. As social media evolved and it began to serve not only as social media platforms but also as business platforms. Social media spreads the word. Talk about the youth of India. We all like being groomed on a daily basis. अब नायका की बात कर लेते हैं. They have more than 400 brands and over 35,000 plus products for beauty and wellness on an e-commerce platform. नायका अपने साथ ही साथ दूसरी भी कंपनियों का बिजनेस ग्रो करने में मदद कर रहा है। अपनी पोस्ट एंड प्रोडक्ट्स लोगों तक पहुंचाकर वन ऑफ द की सेटिंग एग्जांपल्स दैट हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू द कोलोसल राइट in their social media. The kind of posts they publish and the videos they come out with, taking the help of influencers and other beauty gurus to provide the best of their audience. Social media is trackable. Social media is effective because it is highly trackable nature, allows businesses to monitor analytics, behavior and trends. This helps company to alter what isn't working and how to maintain the efforts for a successful outcome of revenue. Social media turns followers into customers. Any and all social media efforts reflect your company's brand, which is why you want to do social media right. If social media efforts are vibrant, attractive with your current branding, you can drive your social media followers to your company's website. So now let's understand the power of social media marketing by comparing two of my favorite cars, that is Rolls-Royce and Mercedes-Benz. We'll be comparing their social media platforms and their number of followers. For Mercedes-Benz, the number of followers on Instagram is 32.6 million, whereas Rolls-Royce has 7.8 million. With the number of followers on LinkedIn 531k for Mercedes-Benz and Rolls-Royce is 947k. The number of followers on their Twitter profile for Mercedes-Benz, there are 3.6 million followers, whereas in Rolls-Royce has over 329.8k followers on Twitter. By concluding on our webinar, I guess the numbers would have said enough, and on the same note, I would like to quote as Brain Halligan rightly said, what separates a good content from a great content is the willingness to take risks and push the envelope. With this note, I would like to sign off this webinar. Thank you for voting Upbringo. We appreciate signing in, spending your valuable time with us, and we hope we have been able to give you some great online marketing insights. We'll be conducting more webinars very soon. Stay tuned for further updates.